1 gig of data bundle every day for 30 days. So let's dial *14* and then send. And let's see the offers that MTN people are going to give us. So we have 2.2 gig, 1 gig, 30-day pack at 9.80. This is not the offer. Let's go to 99 and see more other options. And you can see we have 1 gig of data bundle every day for 30 days at 120 Ghana cedis. What do you guys think? So every day you are going to have 1 gig of data bundle that you can use to, access the internet at 120 Ghana cedis for 30 days. And also, Vodafone people give me, let me dial *30# and then send to Vodafone and see Vodafone own option and see which one is the best. And Vodafone give me 6 gig of data bundle at 10 Ghana cedis for 3 days. Okay, we have 5 gig for 1 day, but I subscribe to the second one. Okay, so this one is 10 cedis for 6 gigs. So let's check. 10 divided by 3 for 3 days. That means every day we are spending 3 cedis. 3 cedis, 30 pesos. Okay. Then MTN people are also saying 120 divided by, let's say, 30 days. That means 4 cedis every day. Then I think Vodafone own is better, but MTN option is also not bad. I'll try using and give you feedback. Also, if you have been using this offer, let me know in the comment section whether it is good or not. But I'll try myself and come back and give you testimonies about it, whether good or bad. Until next time, I'm out.